Medical Mystery Solvers follows a marathon runner who suddenly develops relentless hiccups that defy conventional treatment and medical wisdom. Doctors map symptoms, order imaging, and suspect a hidden brainstem lesion as the culprit behind the stubborn reflex. In candid interviews, the neurologist explains how MRIs and a nerve tracing test finally reveal the unexpected diagnosis. Researchers discuss how precise, targeted therapy cures the condition, while the patient shares his recovery journey and renewed hope. The episode closes by detailing the diagnostic reasoning, the chosen treatment, and lessons for viewers facing puzzling health clues.